Morning.
Good morning.
My name is Bushima Anatonis. My registration number is 22401166. I am student in animal production in year 2. Just can you introduce yourself?
Okay, thank you. My name is Ibzima Nicola Yehovanis with reg number 22408156. I am a student of year 2 animal production.
Thank you for taking the time to participate in this interview. The purpose of this discussion is to understand your perspective on important issues in modern livestock management, including feeding practice, animal health challenges, breeding techniques, housing system, and technology in life management. Let's go to my question. In your experience, what are the most effective sustainable feeding practice for improving livestock productivity while minimizing environment impacts?
Okay, thank you. I am ready for responding to your questions as you have asked me. The feeding strategy is the most important in our career. For example, we are studying animal production, uh, meaning how to improve our animals via feedings, via nutrition. So, feeding strategy is most important as it can lead to growth of our animals and health. For better feeding strategies, we can we can provide supplement to our animals for which which included some nutrients like carbohydrate, like protein, like energies, like lipids, which which lead to which help our animals to get growth, to get health. That is my response to your question.
Good. I have another question to you. What do you consider the biggest health challenges facing livestock farmers today, and how do you think these challenges can be addressed?
Okay, thank you to your question. The biggest challenges in animal health, the first one it is some diseases and an outbreak. Some diseases like tick-borne disease, which, for example, East Coast fever. East Coast fever it is a disease which can reduce our production, which can make our animals to be unhealthy, which can be addressed by using some more medicines like Bitalex, like harfugnon lactate, which can provide response to our animals if it met uh, to such disease. For example, there is some an outbreak can also give which can be challenge to our animal like Rift Valley fever. As many years ago, it can be around to our areas, so that is the health challenges to our animals and their solution to that.
Good. Another one. How modern breeding techniques such as artificial insemination or selective breeding affect livestock performance on farms you are familiar with.
Okay, thank you. The good breeding techniques, it is artificial insemination, as you say, because artificial insemination can provide some some breed we want. Mm. For example, we can cross Frisian and the Holstein or Brahman as the good breed. in global. So artificial insemination is not only that important, it can help, it can provide the help to our animals, it can require it is meaning that it is not expensive. So thank you.
Yeah. Another question: what types of housing system do you think offer the best balance between animal welfare, cost, and productivity? Please explain your choice.
Thank you. To another question, as you asked me, the best housing system, according to my opinion, it is semi-intensive techniques or semi-intensive system, which is ideal because it can help to our animals to provide good production. For example, as we provide our animals to supplementation for daytime and day night, we can also uh, house it to can be housed to our cow shed or goat shed or shelter. Mm. And then we can also place our animals to our pastures to get some more nutrient via fodder. That is how it is a good housing system as as I choose on my opinion.
Here I have another question. How is technology such as automated feeders or digital record keeping changing the way farmers manage livestock today?
Yes, thank you to your question. Uh, my response to your question, it is about for example, if we use digital recording, it can help to know how our animal performance is going is going on. And also automated feeders and sensors, it require less labor. For example, if we place our feeders at a machine, it can it can help to our animals to get it quickly without wastage of our feed.
Good.
Thank you.
In your view, how can livestock production be made more environmental sustainable without reducing farmers' profitability?
Yes, thank you. And my response is to improve manual management. Yes, we can improve our manual management. For example, we can make a fence for where we place our manual, where it will be decomposed to take care for our environment. Thank you.
Now, let's go to the last question. What is innovation do you think will shape the future of livestock farming?
Yeah, there is more. There's some innovation that will provide a good farming. It is like a precision farming and some sensors and digital recording by using some equipment which is good. That that is majorly for our future farming.
Thank you very much for your valuable ideas. Your contribution are highly appreciated and will be used for academic purpose.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
too.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.